Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of creating a kid-friendly home garden that's perfect for play, relaxation and a family fun. If you are looking to transform your outdoor space into a vibrant playground with a cozy twist, you have come to the right place. We shall guide you through setting up a garden with a comfortable carpet, colorful pillows, a swing, a slide, and other fantastic playing tools for kids. A home garden isn't just for growing plants. It's a magical place where children can explore, play, and let their imagination run wild. By incorporating playful elements like swings, slides, and soft play areas, you can create a safe and engaging environment that encourages outdoor activity and creativity. Plus, it's a wonderful way to spend quality time with your family, all while enjoying the fresh air and beautiful surroundings. Scatter a few colorful waterproof pillows around the carpet to create a comfortable area for both kids and adults. These pillows are perfect for reading, relaxing, or just laying down and enjoying the outdoors. Choose pillows in bright colors and fun patterns to make the space more inviting. No playground is complete without a swing, whether it's a classic wooden swing or a more modern design. Ensure it's securely installed and safe for children of all ages. A slide is another must-have for any garden playground. It provides endless entertainment and encourages physical activity. Choose a slide that's appropriate for the ages of your children and make sure it's placed on a soft surface to prevent injuries. By the end of this video, you will have all the inspiration and tips you need to create a fantastic home garden playground that your kids will love. Thanks for watching this video. Up till next time, happy decorating.